Hey everybody, I'm Eunice Wong and today I would like to share a video of behind the scenes of the Alam exhibition. This video was a long time coming. I've been very busy, but also the idea of sifting through the amount of footage that I took during this event and how disorganized I was, it was hard and not at all motivating to start editing all this out. I had this unique opportunity to lend my time to help organize this exhibition, though I did play a rather small part, but I thought it would be great to be able to document this journey for you guys. It was a very interesting experience to see everything played out from the beginning to end. Now, before we get into the bulk of the video, I would like to share with you a little something. Without further ado, let's go. Hi everybody, this ad is sponsored by me. Shopee is a local online store where you can purchase artworks by yours truly, from prints, bookmarks, stickers, pen holders. You can even find some of my original works here. Link is down below in the video description. The planning stage is the most tedious. We had a few meetings to get all the information in place, from talking to the lot owner, inviting guests, sponsors, to organizing artist information, to illustrating the theme of the exhibition and turning them into shirts and tote bags and getting orders to print for the artists, etc., etc. It was a lot of work, and promotional materials were very important, especially if you want to get more traffic to attend the exhibition. To prepare the canvas for display, I would have to prepare by making sure there are screw eyes and then tying them with ropes or strings strong enough to support the weight of the canvas. Then I would have to pack them all up in cloth bags I sewn myself to avoid it being damaged or scratched, as I load them on my little trolley, and I secure them with a bungee cord so they don't fall off due to any bump or accidents. I usually do this with every art event, as I've showed in my YouTube channel for my other art exhibition vlogs. For this exhibition, another additional step was that I had to collect some paintings from other galleries that I had them display in, so that was like an extra step. We arrive at the mall and then you have to unload it and secure them again and walk over to the allocated lot. As you can see, the walls look barren, ready to accept new colorful paintings to display. The installation will have to take a whole day because there were only 2 handymen and 19 artists, about 8 paintings each, so about 152 artworks to be hung on the wall. We all have to wait our turn for our paintings to be installed. You can see one by one each artist arrive with their paintings as they put their canvases on the spot where their section is allocated. It is pretty important for an artist to be there when the handyman installs your painting, as you can control which painting sits next to which to help guide the viewer's eye and make it all flow much more smoothly to make the viewing experience nicer. So like, for example, the big ones have their own allocated space, whilst the smaller ones are stacked on top of each other.
I didn't get to ask your name. What's your name?
I'm Sasi.
Sasi? And
Sasi
your-
also.
Sasi. Thank you so much. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Alam is Malay for nature, showcasing the biodiversity of what our country has to offer. We also had Malaysian Nature Society to come by to sell their merch, increase awareness and receive donations, and become members to further their cause. We had to come by early to prepare foods and drinks for the guests for the grand opening. making sure everything is nice, neat, and inviting for people to consume. We also have a saxophone player to provide a nice ambiance to appreciate these paintings and help draw in the crowd. As the crowd got bigger, it also attracted more people to come by and see what this event is all about. We had a VIP guest, Chief Executive Officer of the National News Organization of Malaysia, Bernama, Mr. Roslan Arifin. He gave a wonderful speech. There was a live drawing of the occasion. And he signed the poster of our event. There's also appreciation and gift giving to the people that mattered to help make all this possible too. After the ceremony, the art viewing begins. I enjoyed this moment because I get to see people ponder as they look at my art. You can see which art stops them at their tracks as they gaze intently. Some people like to be left alone as they think about this moment. Others wouldn't mind talking to the artist, and they start inquiring about technique or what about the art that draws them in, and they just make casual conversations. I always find it a nerve-wracking experience whether I should approach some people or don't, because not everybody likes to be bombarded as they view something in their own solace. On a different day, we also have some news coverage. A couple of reporters came to interview different artists and have our photos taken for an article in our local newspaper, hoping it would give this exhibition as well as the individual artists more awareness and appreciation. It was a really nice experience. The reporters were very friendly, and it was nice to be able to share your concerns about the environment or what is it that your art is trying to depict. Basically, trying to explain your motif and your personality and your cause as an artist. The following newspaper reporters were from Metro Harian and Sinchu Daily, which are notable newspaper companies. It was a very pleasant experience, and to be able to find my photo and my voice in the newspaper the next following days was very exciting. One of the artists suggested to have a farewell dinner together after the exhibition ended. On the last day of the exhibition, the shutter closed, and it was a bittersweet feeling. It was tiring, but it was a very fun experience throughout. It was a very interesting journey and a very eye-opening one at that. Gathered with food and drinks that we brought and chit-chat about lots of things. We thank the organizers and the gallery sitters for taking care of our art, and the saxophonist that lent his free time playing during the exhibition. It was fun making new friends, to share my thoughts on the art that I did, and to have people appreciate it was otherworldly, very surreal. It was a very nice experience to have artists come together and help organize and help each other in terms of making this whole event a success. It's a very nice community bonding moment as everybody support each other. I packed my paintings as I've done in the beginning of this video, only this time we'll be bringing it home. We also have to remove the art information sticker, so we try to clean up as best as we can. I managed to sell one painting, so that really was a cherry on top. It's one of my favorite paintings, which was the Clouded Leopard. And overall, it was a very memorable experience that I hope to participate in again. That's all for today. If you like my videos, it would really help if you hit that like and subscribe button and share it to your friends who you think might find it helpful. I'd like to thank my patrons for supporting me over the years and letting me do what I love. Thank you guys. I share videos, tutorials, and photo references for free for artists to use. So if you'd like to support me to help make all this sustainable, you can do so by pledging over at Patreon. You can also join my Discord as I'm trying to create a wholesome community, and you can also get notified when I go live on Twitch. All links are down below in the video description. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!